Hi, my name is Landon Earp. I'm currently working on a project called Dynamic Debutantes. It's a Flash cartoon that's been in the makings for a few years now. I've had some trouble casting a few of the key parts, and as the creator I've got my hand in a little bit of everything on it. I do the music, I do the writing, I do some of the music. I do the writing, I direct it, I do most of the character designs. I basically do a little bit of everything. That includes acting. A lot of the time, since all the key roles are female, I really don't want to have to outsource every single time we need a villain or something like that. So I wind up taking on a lot of the one-off voices myself. And the whole thing is, over the last couple years, I've been doing a lot of voice work. And voice work is something that's interesting. You can learn it really well by doing, and that's how I've been learning it. I'm pretty much completely self-taught. I study a little bit of everything, just piecemeal and haphazard, but I've learned most of what I need to learn to be functional. And again, like I said, I've learned a lot by doing. But the key thing is, you can only learn so much directing yourself in something you wrote. But I have picked up a pretty decent skill set, so I'd actually like to offer myself up now to see if anybody else wants to use my voice work. Sometime in the very near future, I'm going to start doing sometime in the near future, I'm going to start doing some little test pieces. Probably I'll be doing things like scenes from movies, scenes from books, scenes from video games. Just things that I can put my own spin on and show what type of range my voice actually has. I'll probably just be putting a little still frame image up with the audio, just so that you have a reference of what it is, and you don't get too distracted by my looks or my mannerisms, and you can get to the point of where you can you can see all the different things that I can pull off convincingly. I tend to specialize in villains and comic relief roles, but I'm trying to get to the point where I can do a little bit of everything. Probably my biggest influences as an actor, and specifically a voice actor, would probably be Robert Englund, Tobin Bell, Kevin Conroy, Mark Hamill, Richard Mall, surprisingly underrated, and in all honesty, I just want to offer up my work to critique and or to network and take part in somebody else's work. Thanks for your time. I will hopefully have more up soon.